Well, hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. Today we're going to turn this spiral path, which looks like a paperclip, but really is just a group of lines, into a 3D model that is a paperclip. So we're going to use the sweep tool to turn this object into a 3D object. Now, right now, if we were to try to sweep this, it won't work because the sweep tool requires two sketches. So this first is the path that the sweep will follow. Now we'll take a look at the sweep tool right now. You can see the sweep tool is right here, and it asks for a face and sketch region to sweep and a path. What we have here is our path. We need to create a face to sweep. That face to sweep needs to be perpendicular to the path that we're going to sweep. So I'm going to go ahead and create a sketch. This is our first sketch was on the front plane, so we'll put the new sketch on the top plane. So I'm going to come on over here to my top plane and choose it. And then we'll view normal by tapping the N key, and we're going to draw a circle on the origin. We're going to make sure that circle is 0.2 of an inch in diameter, so 0.2, and there we go. Now the diameter only matters in this case because if it's too big, it will run into itself. Now, as we already said, we're going to make this the face. So give it that name. The name helps us keep track of what we're doing. So if I turn off my origin, you can see that we have a circle that is perpendicular to the path that we're going to flow. So here's the path, and here is our circle. That's our face, and you can see they are perpendicular. What we're going to do next, we're going to go ahead and open up our sweep tool, and it's going to ask for our faces and sketch regions to sweep. Well, choose the face, and then you can see the red section where it says sweep path, and of course that red is basically a big flashing pick me. So I'll pick that, and then it asks for sweep path. Of course that'll be our path, and we have a solid new feature that is now a paperclip. And here you have it. I'm going to go ahead and name my part. There you have it. There is our paperclip. It is an object that has been given a name. It's a part. We created two sketches to make it happen. The path and the face. And of course the sweep feature turned it into a 3D object. So there you have it. Good luck, have fun, and as always, keep being awesome.